So it's picked. Plug spun. Screw out. Make sure I don't reset it. There we go. And that's how you get a lockout without using a drill or a snap bar. I'll put my thumb turning now with 5 keys. Anti-snap. And the job's a good one. I think this is a gas powered power plant that produces half of Wales' electricity. I've had to fit pretty much from scratch. This one and this one, but like an absolute diver, I've put it all together and not reversed the latch, so now I've got to take it all apart, flip the latch. Good job I'm charging him. Anyway, to flip the latch you turn it upside down, push it in, give it a turn, and then gravity keeps it like that. Let's try again, shall we? 1 minute you're in Flint power station, the next minute you're in Bradford, putting a radar lock on. Well, it took some doing, but the function of these is so that it keeps everyone who's not disabled out. You push the door, lift the handle, that locks it, handle down, that's open. However, if somebody's on the toilet and the handle's lifted, door display is locked, the key will not work. Handle down, key will work. Just like that. Only one in the building. Hello!